LK Lifestyles Videos presents Paleo, grain-free, gluten-free, and keto-friendly zucchini cakes. Finding new and easy things to make that fit into your paleo life can be a real challenge. But these zucchini cakes are easy to make and take very little time. The ingredients are easy to find and very budget-friendly. Here at LK Lifestyles, I make short videos for easy solutions to your everyday paleo life. Please subscribe and hit the bell to get notified of new videos weekly. Here's what you need to make zucchini cakes in about 30 minutes. 3 medium zucchini squash washed well, 2 or 3 egg yolks, 1/2 a cup of paleo flour. I make my own blend of almond, flax, and tapioca flours, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 3 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, salt and pepper to taste. Here's how you make the cakes. Grate the zucchini in a food processor and squeeze the liquid out very well through a piece of cheesecloth. Add the remaining ingredients and mix gently to combine. Spoon approximately 2 ounces of the mix onto a hot griddle or frying pan. Allow the cakes to cook for about 5 minutes per side. This recipe makes about 6 zucchini cakes depending on the size of your zucchini. Serve your cakes open-faced on a Paleo Roll with homemade tartar sauce. Feel confident that this dish is paleo, grain, and gluten-free, as well as keto-friendly. Please subscribe to LK Lifestyles for new videos coming soon.